Okay, so we're going to try a new unit or a new segment here. This is Math Riddle Week 1, so we're going to try to put up a Math Riddle every week, hopefully every week, and then answer it by the end of the week for you guys. So this riddle was given to me by a student, and the idea is you have the numbers 0 through 9. In each of the rows, we have to somehow manipulate so that they're equal to 6. And you can only use math symbols to do this. So an idea of this, I'll do the easiest one for you, is the third row here is the numbers 2. And you can use 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that essentially equals 6. You cannot add any numbers to this. So you can only use math symbols to solve each of the rows. Okay? So if you don't want a hint, stop the video now and give it a try. I am going to show you what symbols you're going to need to use in order to solve this. And some of them might have more than one way to solve the answer. So we'll write it on the side. You can pause the video now if you don't want any hint when going through this. Okay, so the symbols you'll need to use, obviously you'll need to use addition. We've just shown that. You'll need to use subtraction. You'll need to use multiplication. You'll need to use division. You'll need to use a square root. Now, I know in a square root, it's technically there's a number 2 here, but because if it's square root, it's kind of implied, we consider it not using a number. And the last one you'll need to use is a factorial, which is something you may not be using. It's essentially an exclamation mark. It can also be written kind of like this. And a factorial, pretty straightforward. Essentially, a factorial, say we had the number 4 factorial. What that means is you just take 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So you take the number and multiply it by every integer before it down to the number 1. So if it was factorial 2, it would be 2 times 1. If it was factorial 10, it would be 10 times all the integers, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, all the way to 1. Okay, so good luck this week, and we'll have an answer for you next week.
Brackets.
Oh, sorry, and of course, you can use brackets, and you will need to use brackets because obviously you'll have to maybe do one pair before you do the other, and vice versa. Okay? Good luck. Bye-bye.